Hi everyone, and welcome to a new video about amazing India. Today we are thrilled to take you on a journey to one of the most fascinating districts in the state of Bihar. Today we're going to Begusarai, a district often called the heart of Bihar. Nestled in the northern part of the state, Begusarai is a place where tradition meets modernity and where the past and present coexist harmoniously. This isn't just a trip through farms and factories. It's a deep dive into a place full of history, culture and amazing people. From its historical landmarks that tell tales of bygone eras to its vibrant cultural festivals that bring the community together, Begusarai is a treasure trove of experiences, so buckle up because just like the Ganga River that flows through this land, our journey is going to be exciting. The Ganga not only nourishes the land but also enriches the lives of the people who live here, creating a unique bond between nature and humanity. Come with me as we explore the hidden treasures of Begusarai, from its ancient stories to its modern successes. We'll meet the locals, hear their stories, and see how this district is evolving while staying true to its roots. Whether it's the ancient ruins that whisper secrets of the past or the modern infrastructure that promises a bright future, Begusarai has something for everyone. Imagine a place where the Ganga, India's most important river, flows, bringing life and good soil. This river is not just a body of water, it is a lifeline for millions. It nourishes the land, supports agriculture, and sustains the people who live along its banks. That, my friends, is Begusarai, a district that thrives because of the Ganga's generosity. Located in the northern plains of Bihar, this district is hugged by the Ganga in the south, almost like the river is protecting it. The river's embrace provides not just water, but a sense of security and prosperity. Khagaria is to the east, Munga to the south, Samastipur to the west, and Sahasa up north. These neighboring districts form a close-knit community, interconnected by the Ganga and its tributaries. All these rivers and streams make Begusarai's land super fertile, perfect for farming, which is really important for its economy. The fertile soil yields bountiful crops, supporting the livelihoods of countless farmers and their families. So, keep that picture of the Ganga in your mind as we explore Begusarai. This river is more than just a geographical feature, it is the heart and soul of the region, shaping its culture, economy, and way of life. Let's talk about how Begusarai connects to the rest of the world, its roads and trains. This small yet bustling city has a network that keeps it linked to the rest of India. Think of the Begusarai railway junction, a busy place where trains come and go. It's not just a station, it's a lifeline for the people here, bringing in goods and taking people to their destinations. This train station is really important, connecting Begusarai to the rest of India. It serves as a crucial hub, ensuring that the city remains connected to major cities and towns across the country. And then there are the roads, the highways that connect everything. These highways are the veins that keep the city alive, facilitating trade and travel. These roads are important for Begusarai's future. They are constantly being developed and maintained to ensure smooth travel and transport. Good transportation is important to them. Public transport, like local buses, plays a vital role in the daily lives of the residents, making commuting easier and more efficient. Begusarai has done well, but it still has problems. Like many places, Begusarai has challenges to overcome. Many people are poor and don't have basic things like food and shelter. This needs our attention. Begusarai also needs better roads, electricity, and clean water, but there is hope. Begusarai is doing better with education. Every place has special people who have made a difference. Begusarai has many inspiring people. K.K. Verma was a freedom fighter who helped India become free from British rule. He was very brave. Ram Dani Soni worked hard to help poor people and fight for their rights. So, our trip through Begusarai is ending. We've seen its struggles, its successes, and its amazing people. Begusarai is more than just a place. It's an example of how diverse and strong India is. But our exploration isn't over. Join me next time for another adventure in India.